Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. So this is the tutorial about React Native and how to show the notification. So if I just click on this request permission over here, first of all I'll be in need of the permissions which I will be granting. Once when you click on this, it will ask you to grant the permission. You have to give the permissions. Then if I click on this, it will show me the notification over here. As can be seen, I'm seeing a notification, and if I want to schedule a notification after 5 seconds, I will click on this and just wait for 5 seconds, and it will show the notification as can be seen over here. And with this you can cancel the last notification. If I just click on this schedule the notification for after 5 seconds, and if I click on this cancel the last notification, it will be cancelled. If I click on this, it will cancel all the notifications. Okay, so now when it comes to showing the notifications, I'll be making use of something known as a notify. So let me just show you here. This is the package what I have made use of notify. Once you install this package, then run this command cd ios pod install, then cd dot dot to again go back to the previous directory. So over here, let's go to the code right now. So over here I have declared all the functions, function calls, like first to request the permission. So when it comes to this requesting the permission, I will do await notify dot request permission. It will ask for the permission to show the notification and all those things. So now when it comes to the no permissions, there is something called as info.plist, and you will find this info.plist over here, iOS my app info.plist. And if you just see this info.plist, let me just show you what have I done. So over here, in order to show the notifications for notify, you have to add this code. Okay, so you have to add this code. This is just to get the permission to show the notification, all those things. So you have to update this code over here. So line number 50, let me just show you where have I added it here. So this is the code, and now it will ask you the permission. Then you have to give the permission, and whenever you give the permission, it will set the permission over here, and you will get the permission ID. As of now it is not showing because I've already given the permission. Okay, and now next is show the notification. So when it comes to the showing the notification, it is this function that I am calling. So when it comes to the displaying the notifications, first of all we have to create the channel for the Android. So when it comes to the creating the channel, we only have to create the channel. So basically we have to create a channel only for the Android, because iOS has the channel but Android don't have. So we have to create the channel over here. And now when it comes to the channel, this only we have to do it for the Android. With the help of the platform.os, we have to figure out which OS the app is running on, whether on the Android or iOS. Then only you have to create the channel. Okay, and now when it comes to the displaying the notification, I'll be saying notify dot display notification function. This is the title, this is the body, and this code you see, this is for the Android, like the channel IDs icon and the press action, what happens when we'll be clicking on the notification, all those things. And right now I'm executing the code on the iOS simulator, so that's why I'll be going to this part, which is iOS part. Sound, basically when I will show you the notification, it makes this sound, right? So that you can decide from here like what sound you want to give. Okay, play the default notification sound, and batch count is 1, sets the app icon batch it will set. And for foreground presentation options, so how for your foreground presentation should look, whether there should be batch, whether there should be sound, or whether there should be alert. If you give the alert is equal to true, shows the alert while the app is in the foreground. Okay, so these are some of the settings you can also go and check in npm package. And then next comes the scheduling notification after 5 seconds. So for that purpose, I'm making use of the timestamp trigger. So when it comes to the timestamp trigger, so this will trigger the notification after 5 seconds, because what have I done over here? I'm picking up the current date time, and then I'm adding the 5000. 5000 basically means the 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds it will trigger this notification. So I am calling out to this trigger, and this trigger I am passing as parameter to this notify dot create a trigger notification. So I'm giving the trigger over here, and after 5 seconds, this is the notification which will be getting triggered. Okay. And next is canceling the last notification. In order to cancel the last notification, I will be in need of the last notification ID. So for that purpose, I will say await notify.cancel notification, and I will take the last notification ID, and then I will just cancel it out. Okay, and if I want to cancel all the notifications, I will say notify.cancel all notifications, and it will cancel all the notifications. Okay guys, so this is how we can show the notifications inside of our applications with the help of the Notify. And if you want more details on this, you can go and check out the npm package, and you will get more details on the Notify and how to show the notifications in your app. So thanks for watching.